21 to 22. That is, there are 3 lines in the sloka. Okay, we say this together. Arjuna uvacha सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहं योद्धुकामानवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धव्यम् अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे. So he said some things to Krishna. He will say, Arjuna vacha, Arjuna said, Senayo ubayoho madhye. Sena means the armies and madhye means between. Ubayoho means both. So between both the armies, Arjuna is saying, Ratam stapaya mechuta. Ratam stapaya means place the chariot. But me chuta means may you have to take it before the my, keep it as my ratham. May means my. He is saying that keep my chariot in between both the armies. Achyuta is the infallible one. So this is another name for Krishna. Yavadetan. So he is saying also another instruction. Keep it in a place where etan, all these, yavat is as long as, Niriksheham. Aham is I, Nirikshe is may look. So I want to look, keep me in a place as long as I can look at them. Look at whom? Yodu Kamana Vastitan. Yodu Kamana means the people who are desiring to fight. Avastitan is situated or arrayed. So I want to be in a place where I can see all these people who are desiring to fight. That's what he is saying. Then he goes to elaborate, Kai Maya Sahayodavyam. Kai is with whom, Maya is by me, you can say I. With whom I, Yodavyam is have to fight, Saha is together. With whom I have to fight together. Said, I want to see those people who are desiring to fight. Not only that, I want to see whom I have to fight with, because in those days they will only fight their own equals. They cannot fight a weaker person or a stronger person. They have to find somebody whom they are, both of them should be of the same caliber. So I want to also see whom I have to fight with. Kaimaya sahayodavyam asmin rana samudyame. Asmin is in this. Rana is battle. Samudyame is event. So in this event of battle, who are the people who are desiring to fight, and also with whom should I fight? This is what I want to look. So please place my chariot in between both the armies. 23. Yotsyamānānavekṣeham yayetetra samāgataha dārtarāshtrasya durbuddhehe yuddhe priyachikirshavaha. Again he is saying, Yotsyamanan aveksheham. Aham is I. Avekshe is let me see. Again, Yotsyamanan is those who will be fighting. So, Yayetetra samagataha. This ya is who. Samagataha is assembled. Yete is those and atra is here. So basically it means those who have assembled here. I want to see those who have assembled here and those who will be fighting. Dārtarāshtrasya durbuddhehe. So Dārtarāshtrasya we know for the sons of Dhritarashtra, durbuddhehe is evil-minded. Yuddhe priyachikirshavaha. For those, what do those people who are there? They are evil-minded, wanting to please. Chikirsavaha is wishing and Priya is to please. So they want to please Duryodhana in this fight. But they are not well-wishers, but just to please him, this Dārtarāshtrasya durbuddhehe. These people, for the son of Dhritarashtra, this evil-minded people are here to please him. So this sentence we must remember, because Arjuna's state of mind is going to change. So we will refer to this later. So this is something to be noted here. We will go to the next sloka. Sanjayorvacha eva mukto rishikeshaha udakeshena bharata सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्. Sanjaya Vacha. Sanjaya said, so Rishikesha is Krishna, we know. Krishna was addressed thus. Evam Mukto. Yukto is addressed and Evam is thus. So he was thus addressed. By whom? By Gudakesha. They are using another name for Arjuna, the one who has conquered sleep. It also means that sleep is equated to ignorance. So the one who has conquered ignorance, that is also another meaning. So Gudakesha. So he was addressed thus by Arjuna. Bharata is mentioned. Bharata is referring to Dhritarashtra, descendant of Bharata. Senayo Ubayoho Madhye. Madhye we know that it is in the middle. And Ubayo also we saw in the last sloka, it was both. Senayo also we know it is the army. So Senayo Ubayo Madhye Tapayitva Rathottamam. Tapayitva was Krishna placed the finest chariot. Ratha is the chariot, Uttamam is the best or the finest. He placed the chariot in between the two armies. This is what Sanjaya is telling Dhritarashtra. So Rathottamam is because it is finest, because they have various interpretations for it. It was given by fire himself, this chariot of Arjuna. Then it has a Hanuman's flag. It is driven by Krishna. So all these qualifications makes it the finest chariot, Rathottama. So Krishna obeys Arjuna's command in this. Bhishma Drona Pramukataha Sarvesham cha Mahikshitam Uvacha Partha Pashyetan Samavetan Kuruniti. Pramukataha. Pramukataha means in front of whom? Bhishma and Drona. So he placed the chariot in front of Bhishma and Drona and the kings. Mahikshita is kings. Uvacha Partha. Uvacha is said, but here it is not explicit. Actually, Krishna said. Partha. Partha is the name of Arjuna, we know, because he is the son of Pritha. Pritha is another name for Kunti. So son of Pritha, who is Arjuna. Pashya Etan. Pashya is just see or just behold. Etan, all of them. Samavetan is again assembled. Kuruniti. Kurun is the members of the Kuru dynasty. See all of them assembled here. This is what Krishna said. And Sanjaya is saying this, but actually there is no something that says Bhagavan Vacha or Krishna said. There is nothing there. We have to add that because Krishna doesn't talk till the second chapter. He will not say anything. Kuru iti. Thus. Thus is what coming to Uvacha. He said thus. That we have to take it together. So Shloka number 26 is Tatra Pashyasthitan Parthaha Pitrunata Pitamahan Acharyan Matulan Bhratrun Putran Pautran Sakimstata Shvashuran Suhrudaschaiva Senayorubayorapi. So basically this is Arjuna sees all those who are present. So now you can relate what is triggering for him. Basically it is triggering all the impressions that he has from childhood about all those people standing there, right? I've played with them, I've been with them, he has been my guru. So all those things are being retrieved. That's what we have to understand. Tatra is there. Apashyat Stitan Parthaha. Apashyat is he could see. Who could see? Arjuna could see. Who were standing there? Who were all they? Pitrun Pitamaha. So fathers, Pitamahan is grandfathers, Acharyan is teachers, Matulan is maternal uncles, Bhratrun is brothers, Putran is sons, Pautran is grandsons, Sakin is friends, Tata is also, Shvashuran is fathers-in-law, Suhruda is well-wishers, Chaiva is also certainly, Senayo Ubayo. Senayo is armies, Ubayoho is both parties, Api included. So all of them. It doesn't mean his own sons. It's just his own, maybe his cousins or his cousin sons. So Putran. So he could see all his relatives basically. That's what they are trying to say. This is what Arjuna saw. 27 is Tan samikshya sa kaunteya sarvan bandhun avastitan kripaya paraya vishtah vishidan idam abravit. So this is the state of mind of Arjuna. Again, he is in the state of, you will yourself know, it will be in the state of raga, but we will see the word to word translation. Tan samikshasa kaunteya. Samiksha. Samiksha is after seeing. Tan samiksha is after seeing all of them. Sa is he. Kaunteya is the son of Kunti. Sarvan bandhun avastitan. Sarvan, all of bandhun, relatives. Bandhun is relatives. Avastitan is situated. The translation is the son of Kunti. So all of his relatives situated there. That's the first line. Kripaya paraya avishtaha. Avishtaha means overwhelmed. So he was overwhelmed with what? Kripaya. Kripaya means compassion, but in the context you will take it as attachment. Not only he was overwhelmed by compassion, paraya, of high grade of compassion, of high grade of attachment. Vishidan idam abravit. Abravit spoke. Vishidan is while lamenting. He started to lament. Idam thus spoke. So he spoke thus. 28. In this, there will be one transition in the state of mind. Of the three emotions that we described, of the three states rather, you will see that there is a transition in the sloka. That we will see what it is. Arjuno vacha दृष्ट्वेवं स्वजनं कृष्ण युयुत्सुं समुपस्थितं सीदन्ति मम गात्राणि मुखं च परिशुष्यति. Arjuna Vacha, Arjuna said, Drishtveemam Swajanam Krishna. So Arjuna is saying all these things. Drishtve, Drishtva is after seeing, Imam is all these. Swajanam Krishna. Swajanam is kinsman, my own people, O Krishna. After seeing my own people, O Krishna. Yuyutsum Samupastitam. Yuyutsum is all those in fighting spirit. Samupastitam, they are present. Sidanti mama gatrani. So what happens to him? Mama gatrani, my, mama is my, gatrani is limbs. Sidanti is quivering. So he's saying, my limbs are quivering. Mukam cha parishushyati. So mukam is mouth, cha is also, parishushyati is drying up. So what is happening to him? He is going into the flight or fight response. That they will say, in fear also you will get some reactions in the body. That is letting your body to prepare for that act. Same way, in sorrow and terrible grief also, you will have some bodily reactions. So this is what Arjuna is experiencing. So we saw that from Raga, which was like, he said in the first sentence, after seeing all these people, and then immediately he's describing all the reactions that's going on in his body. So this clearly defines, in Shoka, he is experiencing all these bodily reactions. So 29, Vepatuscha sharire me romaharshascha jayate gandivam samsrate hastat tvakchaiva paridahyate. They are describing more symptoms that is happening to him. So what are the symptoms that he is experiencing? Vepatuscha sharire me. Sharira is the body, we know body. Vepatuhu is trembling. So his body is trembling. So he's saying, my body, Vepatuscha sharire me, my body is trembling. Romaharshascha jayate. Romaharshaha means the hairs are standing on the ends. We feel it, right? When we have goosebumps. Gandivam sramsate hastat. Gandivam, we know, is the very famous bow of Arjuna. Sramsate is slipping. Hastat is from his hand. Like they say that in fear and maybe in grief also, that the strength will start to fall. Like that is literally, like literally, but figuratively, Gandivam Sramsate Hastat. So his main strength is starting to slip away. Tvakchaiva paridahyate. Tvak is the skin. Cha is also. Eva is certainly. Paridahyate is starting to burn. His skin is starting to burn. So all these are symptoms of the shoka that he is feeling. So न च शक्नोम्यवस्थातुं भ्रमतीव च मे मनः निमित्तानि च पश्यामि विपरीतानि केशव न च शक्नोमि. He's saying I am unable to. Na cha shaknyomi. Shaknyomi is able to and I am not able to. Avastatum, to stay. In this context, take it as stand. I am not able to stand. Brahmati ivacha me manaha. Brahmati is forgetting. Manaha is mind. So I am just forgetting everything. So basically, I'm forgetting myself and my mind is reeling. Nimittani cha pashyami. Nimittani is like omens. Cha is also pashyami is I see. So the omens also that I see, how are they? Viparitani Keshava. Viparitani, they are just bad omens. They are just the opposite of what I want to see. So he is just imagining all these things. Okay, some bird is flying across. Oh, it is not a good omen. You know, that is the everything you see will be a reflection of how you feel. So, okay, so the omens are not good, Krishna. That's what he is saying. So, this is again the symptoms are continuing for him. So, the next shloka, there will be a change of his mind.